This is exactly how I was able to fix my Wi-Fi issues on PS5. So what I did firstly is that I went into settings right here on my PS5, as you can see, and then I actually scrolled down and I clicked on system right here. And now on system you're going to scroll all the way down in here and click on date and time. And then click on set date and time and click on set using internet. And then you have to set it automatically, as you can see right here. So if this one is turned off, make sure that this one is turned on instead. This actually fixed it for me for some reason, but if you cannot set it using internet, you can always set it manually in here, but make sure the date and time is correct. That is very important, and then click on OK right here. For some reason, when either the date or time is off, then your internet will not connect the best way. Basically, it will be very bad. The connection will be strange, and also there will be a lot of bugs. So make sure that the date and time is exactly how it is in the country that you are in right now, and that should hopefully fix this issue for you as well.